Hello, Pip. Hello, Leo. Hello, Hopsy. Excited to show your friend Ben the beautiful wildlife garden? Isn't this place wonderful? Oh no, that little bird's falling! Oh, great catch, Ben! That was close. Wait, where's the bird going? It needs to get back to its nest. That's not the bird. It's a butterfly! I wonder what other types of wildlife are nearby. There's the little bird. Time to take you back to your nest. The little bird's nest is so high up. Building a tower should help us reach it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tower's not tall enough. Let's keep going with one more brick. And 5! There! Now we can reach the nest. Great job, everyone! The bird is back home, safe and sound because you kept trying and built the tower. Way to go! Be busy, busy, busy. Be busy, busy, busy. There's so much we have to make. There's no time to take a break. Let's start thinking, it's time to dream. All together we'll build anything. So be busy, busy, busy. Be busy, busy. Working quickly, we can't be slow. Just be creative and let your thoughts flow. There's no problem we can't overcome. We'll work together and get this job done. So be busy, busy. Be busy. Busy bees will always work together. They'll always be best friends like us forever. Be busy, busy. Be busy.
Hi, Leo and Pip. Wait, where's Puggy? There you are. Whoa! It's a gusty, blustery, wild, and windy day. Where did all this stuff come from? Everything's a mess. Great idea, Leo and Pip. Let's put everything back where it belongs. One of these things doesn't belong here. You're right, Puggy. The wind must have blown that tractor in. But where did it come from? Ah, that's right. Tractors are usually found on a farm. Let's take it back to the farm. The wind turned the fruits and veggies into a dizzy disaster. Our farmer friend could use some help calming them down. Look, broccoli fell asleep. Oh no, the wind is picking up again. Fruits and veggies, hold on to your stems. Farmers, hold on to your hats. Everybody, just hold on. These aren't from the farm, are they? They look like little pieces that make up one big thing. All right, Pip knows what to do. We'll figure it out together. Let's build. They're wind turbines. Machines that take the wind and turn it into electricity. Ooh! What a wonderfully windy day. I wonder what amazing things we'll build next. Come back soon. Beach day. Sun. Sea. And sand. Beach day. Let's all lend a hand. Beach day. Beautiful weather. Let's clean up together. Ready to play on our beach day. Sun. Sea. And sand. Beach day. The sun is in the sky. The water is so cool. We found trash in the sand, but we know what to do. Garbage on the shore. Oh no, there's even more. Sun, sea, and sand. Aw, poor whale. Let's all lend a hand. Beach day. Beautiful weather. Let's clean up together. Ready to play on our beach day. Sun, sea, and sand. Beach day. Recycle all we can. Some things can be reused. Beach cleanups help so much. It's thanks to me and you. Wow, looking great. Everybody, let's stay and play. Sun, sea, and sand. Beach day. Let's all lend a hand. Beach day. Beautiful weather. Let's clean up together. Ready to play on our beach day. Sun, sea, and sand. Beach day. Hi, Leo, Pip, and Puggy. Do you have everything you need to go camping at the beach? A skateboard, a guitar, and a dog bone. Don't forget our favorite beach toy, Mr. Turtle. Oh, looks like we have some extra guests coming along. Uh-oh. There goes the skateboard. And the guitar. Oh no, not Mr. Turtle. With all their stuff gone, what will Leo and Pip do for fun? That's a spectacular sandcastle. What else can we make together? Camping is so much fun! What a fun day with some of our bestest friends. But wait, where are Radish and Pineapple? There they are! The more friends, the merrier. That was the best day ever.
Are you ready? Gather round your friends. Everybody, it's time to celebrate. We can bake each other gingerbread men, holiday treats to share with a friend on our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure. Now we're ready, the celebration can begin. Singing carols and songs about the holidays. Shake the shaker and strum the guitar. Playing music brings a glow to our hearts on our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure. We can build a snowman, dress him up in our scarf and hat, and race across the glistening fields in a sleigh ride that goes so fast on our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure. So get ready, family and friends, for the season of fun and playing games. Giving gifts to the people you love. Open your presents and give them a hug on our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure. It's our winter wonderland adventure.
Hello, Leo. Hello, Pip. We're going to take the animals back to their natural habitats. As much fun as it is to visit new places, it always feels good to go home. So let's help them get there. Are you ready to go on a very special train ride and help animals find their way home? It looks like we're on a tropical island. Which animals do you think would be happiest in this habitat? The animals look so happy. Let's help the rest. Be careful, it's slippery. Which animal do you think would feel the most at home in the Antarctic? Welcome home, forest friends. Woo! It's hot here. Which animals do you think like the sandy desert? Which animal likes bamboo? There's one animal left. If you could live anywhere, where would you feel the most at home, unicorn friend? As much fun as it is to visit new places, The animals all look happy to be back home. Did you have fun helping the animals find their homes today? Are you ready for your next adventure?
Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Come with me, what can we see? Baby animals with their families. Which ones can we name? Let's play a little game. Now we're near a baby deer, so cute and friendly. There's no need to fear. A baby deer's a fun. Now let's go find some more. Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Next to see a family of panda bears and their baby, a little panda cub, joins our baby animal club. This elephant looks like it shrunk, spraying water with its baby trunk. A calf is what it's called. Now I hope that we see more. Animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Baby animals, do-do-do, do-do-do. Animals playing in the wild, making memories. Let's build a world that cares for them, where they live happily. Yeah! Animals, do the game of the animals. Baby animals, do the game of the animals. Animals, do the game of the animals. Baby animals. Look, Ben, Doggy, and Hopsy are all having fun playing catch. Oh, Ray and Kitty are here too. It looks like they'd rather play tag. It seems everyone enjoys that idea. Well, not everyone. Ben feels quite upset. I wonder what Ray's thinking. Ray is sad that Ben feels upset. She wants to find out what's wrong. Let's go ask him. Sometimes when we're playing with our friends and they leave to do something else, we feel left out. But don't worry, if you ever get sad, just tell your friends how you feel. They'll do all they can to cheer you up. Your real friends will never leave you. Since Ray likes tag, and Ben likes to play catch, how about a game of disc tag? The one with the disc is it. It took Ben a little while to share his feelings, but as soon as he did, he started feeling better.